AI is really interesting because the industry is changing. AI leads everything like Spotify, Amazon, Netflix, just to name a few. So it's like exciting to see like those things being real. This event made it really helpful to understand that it's not as hidden and like obscure as I thought.
If you're in San Francisco for longer than a week, you've seen the self-driving cars and Tesla and things like that. And so it really is the future and it's the cutting edge. And so being here with a lot of peers and colleagues where you can figure out all the different perspectives, right, that make machine learning valuable.
I think this whole space is very, very exciting. I think in the next 5 to 10 years, our world is going to completely transform. Everything in our world, in our future world, will speak to us. Our refrigerator will talk to us. Our car will park itself and, talk to us. And I think a lot of our problems that we have, our day-to-day problems, are going to be fixed before we know they're problems.
Deep learning community as such is it's very open, right? So there are a lot of wonderful libraries and contributors and researchers, right? Who contribute so much to open source. And open source is pretty much driving deep learning. Everybody is contributing to this little ecosystem, right? Which is driving things really forward.
So there was recently a Nature paper from a group outside of from Stanford that was looking at melanoma and pictures of melanoma, feeding it through an algorithm, and they're able to detect what's cancerous and what's not just based on the picture as effectively as a doctor.
So I am just really here to get a working understanding of Python, which I know sounds crazy, right? Because everyone here knows Python, but it's new to me. TensorFlow, Spark, those are new things that I'm working with, and so working in this area, you have to understand all of that. It's vital to my job, so I thought this would be a great introduction.
I think it's really important for those who are just entering the field to have a perspective of not just the capabilities of what machine learning systems can do, but also a sense of the limitations of where machine learning systems run into problems, and when humans that train machine learning systems provide prejudice or bias that gets baked into the system. And that brings a lot of responsibility, I think, because we set the stage for future applications.
I actually learned about this event when I think Laura posted it on Lesbians Who Tech South Bay, and I really just want to see different career paths and of course network with other folks in this industry. I'm really new to it, and I think it's really great to see examples of how data science is used with in the nonprofit and healthcare sphere.
For machine learning and artificial intelligence, and for somebody who may not have gotten a PhD in it, it's hard to determine how to start. And so I feel like I really got a good breadth of information in order to really get started and have those frameworks and have those tools at hand in order to go on and do more work on my own in order to really use it and really apply these technologies and these learnings to what I want to do.
I'm so inspired by all the speakers, and whenever they're talking, it's great. It's hope for the future.